Welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating custom shapes on PixelLab. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so the first shape I'll be showing you how to create will be this shape, and you can use this exact shape, you can use this custom shape to create these types of flyer. Okay, so let's get started with the process. Okay, so for this shape, the first thing we'll be doing now is to go over to shape and we'll increase a square shape. Okay, then we'll go over to just reduce it a little bit like this. We'll reduce it exactly like this. Okay, and after doing that, we'll just be increasing the radius of this exact shape. So okay, let's leave it as 38, and after we've done that, we'll go ahead to copy this shape. Once we've copied this, we'll go back to edit, we'll click on edit, and we'll be taking the radius to 0. Okay, so after doing that, let me change the color of this so you can see what we are doing. Just go and enable color, and we'll be placing this at the center, so it will be very easy for us to work on. Okay, so once we've placed this at the center, this red one here, we'll just rotate it exactly like this, and we'll bring this down. Okay, so once we've brought this down, we'll just go over to our layers and we'll be merging the two together exactly like this, and we'll go over to color and we'll be selecting a white color. Okay, so this is how to create this particular custom shape, and you can just go ahead to reduce it like this, and you can copy this and just turn this over to, if you want to use the same, if you want to just replicate that's the style of this design, then this is the custom shape you can use, and this is how to create it. Okay, so let's move over to the second one. Which is this. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to create this custom shape, and you can actually use this custom shape for this kind of flyers. Okay, so let's get started. So for this exact custom shape, we'll just go over to shape using our regular square, and we'll just reduce the size like this, and we'll be increasing the radius to 30, exactly like this. Okay, and we'll just position this at the center with using our relative position tool. And after doing that, we'll just go over to shape and we'll be introducing a square shape, and we'll be selecting any color so we can see the shape, and we'll just reduce it a little bit like this, and we'll be placing it over here. Okay, then we'll use our position tool to just adjust this until it both rests on the vertical and the horizontal axis of the initial shape we created, which is this. Okay, so after we've done that, we can go ahead to just click on this and we'll copy this. Then we'll be using our position tool again to just bring it down, or you can just use your hand for faster work and just adjust it here. And this is it. Okay, so once you've created something like this, you go over to layers and we'll be merging everything together. And after that, we'll just go over to color, enable, and we'll be leaving it as white. Okay, so this is how to create this particular custom shape. Okay, so let's move over to the next one, which is this. Okay, I'll be showing you how to do this very easily, and you can use this custom shape in this type of flyer. You can use it using with these formats to just make your design unique. Okay, so for this particular custom shape, we'll go over to shape using our regular square. Okay, we'll just go increase the radius. We'll increase the radius to, let me say, 58. We'll be leaving it as 58. Okay, so once we've increased the radius like that, the next thing we'll be doing is just to position it at the center using our relative position. Okay, then we'll go over to shape again and we'll reintroduce a square shape, and we'll be selecting a color. Okay, let's just, so be the shape we added now will be visible, and once we selected the color, we'll just reduce it and we can place it here. Okay, you can either place it here or you can place it down here, depending on how you want it to be. Okay, so for this case, let me just place it up here. Then we'll be using the position tool to adjust it exactly like this, and after that you can just go and merge it, and this is it. Very easy. And you can go over to color and enable color and change it to white. Okay, and this is how to create this particular custom shape. Okay, so let me show you the last one for today. We'll be creating this exact custom shape. Okay, and this will be the same process as of others. We'll go over to shape and we'll be selecting a square shape like this, and after we've done that, we'll just increase the radius a little bit. We increase the radius. Okay, let's leave the radius at 36, and we'll be positioning it at the center. Okay, let me reduce this so you can see what we are working on. Position this at the center. Then we'll go over to shape again to reintroduce a square shape, and we'll be changing the color to white so you could see what we are working on. And we'll just be placing it at the edge. We'll be placing it at these three edges here. We'll place this one here. Okay, and we'll be using the position tool to just adjust. Then we'll go over to just copy this. Then we can use our hand to bring it here and use the position tool to just adjust. Then you can also copy this and bring this here. Okay, so this is not perfectly aligned. You just use the position tool again to adjust this. Okay, and that is okay. And we'll be doing same for this one. We use the position tool to just adjust this here, and we'll move it to this place. Okay, then use the position tool. Let's take it down so it will rest at the base, and this is okay. And after you've done that, you just go over to layers and we'll be selecting the tree and we'll merge it. Then now doing the same thing, we'll go over to color, enable color, and select white. Okay, so this is how to create this. Okay, sorry for that. Go over to layers, merge everything, and okay, so this is how to create this exact custom shapes on PixelLab. Okay, I'll be showing you how to create this circular custom shape on PixelLab in the next video. So if you've not turned on your notification bell, I advise you do that so you'll be notified when I post the video. Okay, so thank you for watching to the end. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.